So in this video, I will show you how to make highlight animation in your video like this. So first of all, after you open the CapCut, now I will go ahead now and delete all this video. So after I delete all this, now after you open the CapCut, first of all, make sure to import the newspaper or the name you want to highlight. So for this video, I have this article. So here is the image. So I'll just go ahead now and scale the image like this. After I scale the image, there is a name that I want to highlight in the article. The name is called Hakim. So here is the name. I want to highlight all the names of this person called Hakim in the article. So here is the first name. So as you can see now, here is the first name Hakim. So all you have to do now, just after you scale up the image, so make sure to zoom in the name. So here is the name. So I'll just go ahead now and like move my timeline, and then I'll just split it. Go to split. So I split the image. So I'll just now just go ahead now and say my name again. So I'll just make sure the name in the middle of my playing video. So the name again. So I'll just select this one. Then I will just move my play timeline to this option little bit, and then I'll split again. I'll select the last one again, like this. So then I'll go ahead now and select another one. So here is it, Hakim. I place all the name at the middle. So I'll just go ahead and do it manually. So I'll just go and find all the names and place them at the middle of my video. So here is it, Hakim. So after you finish placing all the names like this, now here is the name. I have now 4 names at the middle. Here is the last one. So through now, I'll just go ahead and click on this text. After you go to text, drag a text on your video like this. So I'll just stretch it, Control Z. So now I'll just make sure the image has fit my timeline. I'll zoom it like this. So now here is now my text. After you add the text on your timeline, so make sure now the text is aligned with the entire image that you want to highlight the name. So now select the text, go to the delete all the text inside it, and then press space bar 3 times on your keyboard. 1, 2, 3. After you press bar, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, so scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now under this uniform scale, turn it off. After you turn off the uniform scale, scroll to down again. So go to this background. After you go to the background, click on this option, color. So change the color. I'll choose yellow. So after you choose the color you want, so then I'll just scroll to down. I'll just go ahead now under the background. I'll reduce the opacity. So I'll just take the opacity back like this. So here it will allow me now to see the name at the back. So I'll just go ahead now and select this one and make sure I highlight only the name that I want to see. So here is it now. So then I'll take this back. I'll take my timeline back again. After you take my the timeline back like this, so I'll make sure I select the image below, and then I'll just place it. I'll make sure I highlight only the name. So I'll just take this one again like this. I select it. I'll just make sure I highlight only the name. Here is it. I'll take this one back. I'll select the image, and I will make sure I highlight only the name. So here is it now. So after you finish highlighting all the names you want to highlight like this, so you can select the image, the text like this, and you can increase the size if you want. So I make sure I highlighted only the text. So after you finish all this to your image, then right click on select the image, select the text. After you select the text, go to this text basics. Under the basics, scroll to down again. If you scroll to down under the background, scroll to down and make sure you check the opacity to 100%. So now after you take the opacity to 100%, right click on the text. So after you right click on the text, create compound clip. So after you create compound clip for your text like this, now go to this video, scroll to down under this blend. Make sure you check on this blend and click on the arrow beside it. So then click on this mode. So scroll to down and select this multiply. So here it will allow you now to see as you can see now, here is the name. So if I play now the video, as you can see now, I can be able now to see all the text that I highlighted. So the next thing to do now, go to this effects. After you go to effects, go to this Halloween and select this vignette effect and press it on the. So now change the position. So now I'll just go ahead and play. So I'll go ahead and select the vignette again. I'll add it like this. So I'll add it like this. So here to give see now to give me some shadow to make sure that I get a focus on only the image, on only the name that I highlighted. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe.